Welcome to DJH Prestige Sports. So we've just acquired this lovely Kia. It's the Sportage, finished in lovely white. It's only just arrived, so I'm just getting it marketed. The alloys are going to be refurbished fully, properly dipped, and back into diamond cut effect, black diamond cut as they are. Got slight green tinted glass to the rear park distance control. These are a really great car, these are very reliable. Lots of space in them. To show you the boot. Boot area is lovely, got the rear parcel shelf. Full leather interior with the white stitch piping. Lovely condition. It even has heated rear seats, electric rear windows, front electric windows, mirrors. Front seats are in lovely condition. From 91, 167 miles. I'll just start the car up. Side collision warning. Cruise control, multifunction steering wheel, satellite navigation, reverse camera with park distance control, aux and a USB, aircon's absolutely lovely cold, heated seats, 3 stages, hill descent, nice centre armrest. As you can see, it's in lovely condition, it's a lovely place to be. I got the upgraded UBL speakers as well. At DJH with full dealer facilities including finance, warranty and part exchange. For further information please give us a call on 07503 751 005. Thank you.